Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two cases, two small videos. The first video shows a case of prostatic utricle cyst or utricular cyst, and the other video shows a stone in the prostatic urethra with benign prostatic hypertrophy. You can see this video. The patient is aged about 23 years, male patient indeed, and you will see you can see now is cyst in the prostatic urethra. A simple cyst, also called prostatic retention cyst, is frequently observed in the gland as an isolated lesion surrounded by normal tissue. Such cysts are acquired due to the retention of prostatic secretions. Ultrasound features are an anechoic content less than 8 millimeter or more with thin and smooth walls and hairline septa. Prostatic utricle cyst PUC is an area of focal dilatation that occurs within the prostatic utricle. They are midline cystic masses in the male pelvis and may be difficult or impossible to distinguish from Mullerian duct cyst. Prostatic cyst is a rare disease of the prostate with about 0.5% to 7.9% prevalence. Now you can see the measurement of the prostate, and you will see the prostate is of normal size. These cysts are often asymptomatic and found accidentally with abdominal ultrasound, CT scan, or MRI. Prostatic cysts are mostly asymptomatic, only 5% prostatic cysts are symptomatic. Symptoms may include pelvic pain, hematospermia, infertility, voiding dysfunction, prostatitis-like syndrome, and painful ejaculation. Midline prostatic cysts are generally Mullerian ducts or utricle cysts. Now you are going to see the other video, and this video shows a stone in the prostatic urethra with enlarged prostate. You can see the stone shedding seen in the prostatic urethra. The urethra runs through the center of the prostate from the bladder to the penis, letting urine flow out of body. The prostate secretes fluid that nourishes and protects sperms. During ejaculation, the prostate squeezes this fluid into the urethra and it is expelled with sperm as semen. Urethral calculi are predominantly found in prostatic urethra just proximal to the narrow membranous portion. These are either found in the prostatic urethra or migrated from the upper urinary tract. They are usually small, but numerous cases of giant stones have been reported. Now, primary urethral or native calculus is a rare form of urolithiasis and often associated with urethral diverticulum stricture or previous surgery. Secondary, that is migrating calculi, often originate from kidney or bladder and were reported to be at least 10 times more common in occurrence than the primary stones. Then the urethral calculi are predominantly found in prostatic urethra just proximal to the narrow membranous portion. These are either found in the prostatic urethra or migrated from the upper urinary tract. These are usually small, but numerous cases of larger stones may be seen. Now, the symptoms of the blocked urethra is abdominal pain, continuous feeling of full bladder, frequent urination, pains during urination, dysuria, problems starting urination, urinary hesitancy, slow, uneven urine flow, at times being unable to urinate, straining to urinate, and urinary tract infections. You can see the stone shedding. This is the stone, and this stone measures this stone. Now you will see the measurement of the prostate gland, and in this case the prostate is enlarged. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you do